Best Project Renovation Restoration, and Best Project Excellence in Safety. Tammany Hall, 44 Union Square East. The former social clubhouse, named after Chief Tammament, was transformed from a modest Neo-Georgian brick, limestone, and terracotta structure built into a modern 63,700 square foot mixed-use space, rebranded as 44 Union Square East. The process of preserving two facades, designated as New York City landmarks, was phased to coincide with a full-scale demolition of the interior. Facades were first decoupled from the steel superstructure, with support from vertical bracing towers and horizontal steel wailers. As the new sixth-floor core was rebuilt, the cleaned and repointed facades were gradually reattached floor by floor. The team also created a new 11,250 square foot glass and steel parametric dome. Site and task-specific safety plans resulted in the project recording 78,000 work hours without a recordable incident or lost time injury. Risk mitigation measures included extensive fall protection, and attention to safety extended beyond the job site perimeter to protect pedestrians, motorists, and adjacent buildings.